Why would I want to be an early riser anyways? Has someone told you that you should work to become an early riser and get up earlier every day? It can be annoying to hear, especially when you love your sleeping in. But whoever suggested this for you is correct. There are many benefits to becoming an early riser. You will become more productive. When you struggle with productivity, one of the best ways to remedy this is by getting up earlier every morning. There are fewer distractions when the rest of the world is sleeping. Not to mention, it will give you more time to get things done, rather than lying in bed wishing to go back to sleep. Getting up early gives you more productive hours during the day while you're at your mental prime, rather than trying to cram activities in at the end. You will be healthier. Surprisingly, getting up early has many health benefits. Not only will you be able to eat healthier and have ample time to exercise, but your mental health will also be better. Getting enough sleep and getting up at the same time every day helps to regulate your hormones so that you get better sleep. Combine this with healthier lifestyle choices, and you'll be shocked by how much clearer your mind is and how much healthier you feel. You can have time for yourself. Do you have a house full of kids? Or maybe a job that won't leave you alone starting at 8 in the morning? Getting up early can help you have some quiet time to yourself before the hectic day begins. This is also a great time to engage in whatever self-care you enjoy. This will further increase your mental health and improve your outlook on the day because you will start it by taking care of the most important person in your life, you. Your performance will improve. Do you often struggle to perform well at work? The problem could be that you simply aren't getting enough sleep and aren't waking up early enough. When you get enough rest and start your day with a healthy breakfast and self-care routine, you will be shocked by how much your performance increases. This isn't just in your professional life, but your personal one as well. Overall, becoming an earlier riser might not be high on your list of things to do, but you will be shocked by just how much you can accomplish daily when you become an early riser. So start setting your alarm for an earlier time and become an early riser today.